So hi everyone, I'm Heather and welcome to my channel. And even though I say welcome to my channel, over the years it's really grown into more of a community for women who really want to embrace this chapter of their lives. And I'm a former model, and I'll be talking about fashion and even doing some little kind of runway shows for you. I'll be talking about makeup and hair care, but I also want to talk about fun. I want to talk about food. Oh, and the most important one, self-care. Like, how many of us really need to remember that self-care? So as they say, come on down and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell as well so you'll be notified of my videos. I really am looking forward to talking to you in the comments and welcoming you to our group here. And as I said before, we're women who we want to stay relevant. We have something to offer this world, and we want to keep on doing it. We want to join each other and support each other on this journey. And most of all, we kind of want to rock this world.